Hey guys, it's George, and I'm going to go over the daily weight tracker spreadsheet for year 2025. So the first thing you want to do is enter your goal weight. So we'll say that we're going to want to reach a goal of 140 pounds. And you can change that weight during the year, but I'm going to go ahead and keep it the same. And the next thing you want to do is enter your ideal goal weight range that you want to stay within. So let's say that the bottom end of that range is 137 pounds. And on the upper end of our ideal goal weight range, it's going to be 143 pounds. So that's the information for January 1st. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that information all the way down for the rest of the year. I'm just going to go ahead and select those cells. And then I'm going to go to the right bottom corner here of those selected cells and then double click. I'm going to go ahead and all the way down to the bottom. And you'll see here December 31st. I'm going to go back up to January 1st. And we go ahead and start entering some sample data here for the actual weight. So let's say on January 1st, our weight is 170 pounds. And then I'm just going to go ahead and fill in a couple more days here. So if we take a look at the chart up here, we can see that this blue line represents our actual weight, and we entered about 10 days there. The purple line represents our goal weight. And the two orange lines represent our weight range that we want to stay within. So let's take a look at a couple of these other columns here. If you look here, we have the day column. Next to that, we have the difference from goal. So that's how many pounds, for example, on this particular day. Our actual weight was 170 pounds, and our goal weight is 140 pounds, so we were 30 pounds away from our goal. On the next column there, if we're within our goal range, it'll be a green check mark. And if we're not, it'll be a red X mark. The next column is the day of the week. And then we have the day of the year. And then we have the percent of the year that has been completed. So I'm going to go ahead and flip over to a different sheet that has all of the actual weights filled in for the entire year. And you can see here at the beginning of the year, we were 30 pounds over our goal weight. And by the middle of the year, we reached our ideal goal weight range. And for the rest of the year, we pretty much stayed within our ideal weight range. So over to the right here, you have a slicer, which allows you to zoom into specific months. So let's take a look at June, July, and August. And that lets you specifically see what took place in those days more clearly. It also will filter the data here below the chart. So if we scroll down here, we can look for one of the green check marks. And it looks like on June 17th, was the first date that we were within our goal range. You can also select a single month. And if you want to clear the months and show them all again, just click this filter arrow right here. So this is a great spreadsheet tool to help you track your weight loss for the year of 2025. And if you're interested in the spreadsheet, you can just head over to my website. And if you're on YouTube, below the video in the description area, there'll be a link directly to the product page. And also please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more great spreadsheet videos.